In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your website. If you're looking for a way to make scheduling easier and more professional, Calendly is an excellent tool that simplifies the process for both you and your clients. By embedding Calendly directly into your website, you can provide a seamless experience, allowing visitors to book appointments without ever leaving your page. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or a team manager, this integration can save you time while improving the user experience for your website visitors. Now, if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's jump right in. First, head over to the Calendly homepage by typing in www.calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your account. This is your central hub for managing and customizing all your scheduling links. It's where everything starts, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the section labeled Meeting Types. This is where all the different types of appointments or events you've set up in Calendly are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting type you'd like to embed into your website. Next, look for the three dots located next to the View Landing Page option for your chosen meeting type. Click on these three dots to reveal a small drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option that says Add to Website. This step is key because it's what allows you to integrate Calendly scheduling functionality directly into your site. Instead of redirecting visitors to an external page, this makes the process feel more seamless and professional. Now, you'll be presented with different embedding options. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the Inline Embed option. This is a great choice because it places your Calendly scheduler directly within the content of your web page. It's an elegant and user-friendly way to keep visitors engaged while giving them a straightforward way to book appointments. Once you've selected Inline Embed, click the Continue button to move forward. At this stage, you'll be able to customize the embed code settings to suit your specific needs. You can adjust things like the dimensions to ensure that the calendar fits perfectly within your web page layout. For example, if your website has a narrow content area, you might want to reduce the width of the embed. You can also modify how the calendar behaves, such as whether it scrolls or stays fixed within a section. Take your time here to make sure the settings align with your website's style and functionality. When you're happy with your customization, click the Copy button. This will copy the generated embed code directly to your clipboard so you can paste it onto your website. Now it's time to add the embed code to your site. Open the HTML editor for your web page or use your content management system if that's how you manage your site. Paste the Calendly embed code into the appropriate section of the page. If you're unsure where to place it, aim for an area that will be visible and intuitive for your visitors, like a booking section or contact page. Alternatively, if you're using a website builder or platform that doesn't allow direct code editing, check if there's an option to insert custom HTML. Many platforms have this feature, so be sure to explore that if needed. Once the code is in place, the final step is to test the embedded calendar on your website. Open your web page and make sure the scheduler displays correctly. Check that all the functionality works as expected. For example, try booking a test appointment to confirm everything runs smoothly. This step is crucial to ensure your visitors have a consistent and professional experience when they interact with your embedded calendar. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Calendly calendar into your website, making it easier than ever for visitors to schedule appointments with you directly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.